And
Hi.
saya nyo, yung minsan
Want a puff? Here.
Lalo na sa mga
There's your
lungkot.
puff.
I don't know what to say. I'm so happy. And you're such a man for doing this na sa lahat sinabi
Get
mo
it?
na gusto mo na siyang pakasalamin. I'm
Did you
so
get it?
happy for the two of you.
Yeah, good job. Beautiful eyes.
So,
Cool eyes, I mean. Cool eyes.
So, parang
Cool eyes.
kinidig na rin yung dasal namin.
How can you do the cool eyes while you eat? Huh? One more time. Jacob. Oh, look at your hair, boy.
Congratulations. And
Oh
you
my.
have a happy
You got some
life.
crazy hair going on.
Happy life. Stay happy.
Want another puff?
Yeah.
You are quick. Okay. Let's see how fast we can get this. Dang!
Sick! Yeah, hindi ko nga alam.
Again, we thank everybody.
Thank
We
you.
ask you for your prayers. But also, thank you, Lord, for all the blessings, blessing us, blessing our families. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There it
Actually,
is.
for me,
Oh,
this
nice
wedding
job.
is, parang celebration na lang ito, diba?
Good job.
Kasi parang simula
Celebrate
naman nung dumating
with
siya,
cool eyes.
buhay ko, naging
Cool eyes.
sobra akong masaya.
Cool eyes.
Na,
Cool
kagabi
eyes.
lang, kumakanta siya, nanonood kami ng concert ni Sharon Cuneta.
Good job,
Hindi ko alam
Babs.
bakit ako naiiyak.